Creating the perfect sanctuary. What to consider when choosing shower tiles. Choosing the right shower tiles is more than just picking out a color or pattern. It's about creating a sanctuary in your bathroom. This choice affects not only the aesthetic appeal of your space, but also its functionality and maintenance. When choosing shower tiles, consider material durability, maintenance ease, slip resistance, size, shape, color, and cost. Also, consider installation requirements, aesthetic appeal, and how well they match your bathroom's overall design and functionality needs. With many options available, selecting the perfect tiles can seem daunting. However, by focusing on a few key considerations, you can make an informed decision that marries beauty with practicality, ensuring your shower area is both inviting and enduring. Material matters. Exploring tile options. When it comes to shower tiles, the material you choose plays a pivotal role in defining the space's aesthetic, functionality, and longevity. Each material brings its unique set of attributes, advantages, and considerations, making it crucial to understand the different options available to find the perfect match for your shower. Here's a closer look at some popular tile materials. Ceramic tiles. Known for their versatility and wide range of colors and designs, ceramic tiles are a cost-effective choice for many homeowners. They are durable, easy to clean, and resistant to moisture, making them suitable for shower walls. However, they might not be as hardy as some other materials when used on floors. Porcelain tiles. A type of ceramic tile, but denser and less porous, making them even more resistant to moisture and stains. Porcelain tiles are ideal for shower floors and walls due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. They come in a variety of finishes, including matte, glazed, and textured to prevent slipping. Natural stone tiles. Natural stone tiles, including marble, granite, slate, and limestone, add a luxurious and unique touch to your shower. Each piece is distinct, offering various colors and patterns. However, natural stone requires more maintenance than ceramic or porcelain, needing regular sealing to prevent water damage and staining. Glass tiles. Offering a modern and sleek look, glass tiles reflect light, making your shower appear brighter and more spacious. They come in a wide range of colors and finishes and are resistant to mold and mildew. Glass tiles, however, can be more slippery and require a careful installation process. Mosaic tiles, typically made of ceramic, porcelain, glass, or natural stone. Mosaic tiles are small tiles arranged on a mesh sheet for easy installation. They are perfect for creating intricate patterns and adding visual interest to your shower. Mosaics can also offer better slip resistance due to the additional grout lines. Durability and maintenance. Long-term considerations. The shower is a high-moisture area subject to daily wear and tear. Choosing tiles that are beautiful, durable, and easy to clean will save you time and money in the long run. Porcelain tiles, for instance, are known for their resistance to moisture and stains, making them a practical choice for busy bathrooms. Slip resistance. Safety first. Safety should never be an afterthought when selecting shower tiles. Slip-resistant tiles can prevent accidents, making them a crucial consideration for families with young children or elderly members. Look for tiles with a textured surface or those rated for slip resistance to ensure a safer bathroom environment. Size and shape, creating visual impact. The size and shape of your tiles can dramatically affect the appearance of your shower. Larger tiles can make a small shower feel more spacious, while smaller mosaic tiles are perfect for adding detail or creating intricate patterns. Additionally, the orientation of tiles, horizontal or vertical, can influence the perceived dimensions of your space. Color and pattern, setting the mood. The color and pattern of your shower tiles play a pivotal role in setting the mood of your bathroom. Whether you prefer a serene, spa-like atmosphere with earth tones or a bold, vibrant space with colorful accents, your choice of tiles can help achieve the desired effect. Consider the overall theme of your bathroom and the impact of natural light on tile colors before making your selection. Grout and sealing, the unsung heroes. Grout and sealing might not be the first things that come to mind when choosing shower tiles, but they are vital for maintaining the beauty and integrity of your tiled area. Selecting the right grout color can complement your tiles, while proper sealing protects against moisture and extends the life of your shower. Budgeting for beauty. Cost considerations. Your budget plays a significant role in the selection of shower tiles. It's important to find a balance between quality and cost. While high-end tiles can add unparalleled beauty to your bathroom, there are many affordable options that do not compromise aesthetics or durability. Planning your budget can guide your choices and ensure you get the best value for your money. Installation insights: DIY versus professional. Whether to DIY or hire a professional for tile installation depends on your skill level and the complexity of the project. While DIY can save money, professional installation ensures a seamless finish and can prevent costly mistakes. Consider the scope of your project and your comfort with tile installation techniques before deciding. Picking the right shower tiles. Choosing the right shower tiles is a crucial step in creating a bathroom that reflects your style and meets your functional needs. By considering material, durability, safety, aesthetics, and cost, you can select tiles that transform your shower into a personal oasis. Remember, the best choice is one that brings you joy every time you step into your bathroom.